Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the 3 irreplaceable items: 1 pumpkin, 1 sugar, and 1 egg. Move quickly. Locate a plains or taiga patch for pumpkins, harvest sugarcane along water, and collect an egg from a chicken or 2. Once you have all 3, consolidate them in your inventory and make or find a crafting table. These steps remove resource uncertainty and let you craft efficiently. Make sure to keep spare sugarcane so you can replace sugar fast. With ingredients ready, convert sugarcane into sugar on the crafting grid. 1 cane yields 1 sugar. Place the pumpkin, sugar, and egg anywhere inside a 3x3 crafting table. The order does not matter, but all 3 must be present. Once placed, retrieve the pumpkin pie immediately. This direct crafting saves time versus bartering. If you craft multiple pies, repeat the sugar step in batches to avoid running back to water sources and streamline production. After crafting, store pumpkin pie in a chest or eat it to restore hunger and saturation. Each pie restores a solid portion and is stackable. If you lack pumpkins or eggs, trade with farmer villagers or farm chickens by breeding them with seeds until eggs spawn reliably. If pumpkins are rare, explore swamp edge and village areas or harvest pumpkin stems for sustainable crops. If a component is missing, make that resource your priority before repeating the crafting sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.